Welcome to Daily Post India. This is Nidhi Bhanot. A new book on Aadhaar seeks to have answered several questions associated with the 12-digit identification number and its impact on the citizen-state relationship. Authored by political economy analyst Shankar Iyer, the book by Westland Publishing offers a linear history on the ups, downs and turnarounds of Aadhaar under two governments with dramatically differing ideologies. Aadhaar was created on July 6, 2009 by then Finance Minister Pranab Mukherjee, who sharing his insights of Aadhaar in the book has said, "I was not satisfied with merely letting it happen. I was determined to make it happen." With anecdotes of power gains and turf wars to shore up or undermine the project, Iyer examines how the scope and application of Aadhaar has spread beyond what was originally envisaged. In Aadhaar, a biometric history, he provides solutions for embedded informatics, including constructive dialogue around the data protection and privacy laws, publisher said in a statement. The book also features interviews of technocrats and political figures key to the project. Nandan Nikalani, former Home Minister P. Chidambaram, former Finance Minister Yashwant Sinha, Congress Vice President Rahul Gandhi, then Prime Minister Manmohan Singh and current Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Modi, who in April 2014 had dismissed Aadhaar as a political gimmick, has said in the book, the problem was not with the idea of Aadhaar, but with the inadequacies. For them, UPay 2, it was just another scheme. I had suggested many ideas, but they simply didn't want to accept any suggestions from Narendra Modi, the Prime Minister adds. Westland publisher V.K. Karthika says, there are so many questions all on the subject of Aadhaar and the changing relationship between the state and the citizenship. This book seeks to answer them even as it lays out the terrain for future conflicts and possible resolutions. For more updates, you can keep watching Daily Post India. You can also subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can also follow our website www.dailypost.in. Thank you.